such is the excitement for the launch of the Prime Minister's Clean India initiative that kicks off tomorrow that an enthusiastic NDMC has swung into action to sanitize areas where cameras will be, and cabinet ministers have all picked up brooms and are furiously sweeping and swabbing anywhere a camera is in sight. At this rate, whatever will the Prime Minister, who likes to lead by example, clean tomorrow?
Last-minute cleaning up ahead of the big Clean India campaign to be launched by the Prime Minister on Gandhi Jayanti. Here in the Valmiki Basti, a residential colony of mostly sanitation workers in the capital.
The Prime Minister will be coming here, he'll be interacting with several of the families who live here, and then of course he's going to literally pick up the broom and set an example, in a way kicking off the Swachh Bharat mission.
But the Prime Minister is unlikely to find any garbage to clean in the Basti, which has been transformed over the past few days. A brand new toilet complex, freshly painted windows and pavements, all to welcome India's top VVIP.
जो उनको काम करने चाहिए वो काम करने चाहिए मोदी जी को, ना कि एक सफाई अभियान चलाएं। एनडीएमसी वीआईपी एरिया है, पहली बात तो गंदगी नहीं मिलेगी एनडीएमसी एरिया में।
क्या हम 2019 में जब गांधी की 150वीं जयंती आए तब महात्मा गांधी के चरणों में स्वच्छ साफ सुथरा हिंदुस्तान उनके चरणों में दे सकते हैं कि नहीं दे सकते?
While the Prime Minister will lead from the front, the government is pulling out all the stops to ensure wide coverage. Government officers have been asked to report for work on Thursday, which is a national holiday, to take a cleanliness pledge. All government school students have also been directed to attend school and help clean up. The railways have also cancelled leave of its 13 lakh workers who have been asked to take part in cleaning stations, trains and offices on the 2nd of October. Keen to be seen doing their bits, several ministers enthusiastically set out with a broom in their already clean offices. But residents of this slum in Delhi aren't expecting their lives to be transformed soon.
हमें नहीं लगता कि प्रधानमंत्री तक बात पहुंचने के बाद भी यहां तक कोई आएगा। हमें लगता है कि मोदी जी सिर्फ अपने ऑफिस में ही झाड़ू लगवा रहे हैं और लगा रहे हैं।
What many are saying at this point, and also what the critics are pointing out, though it's a well-intentioned campaign, a thing which is the need of the hour, will it really be applied to places which need it the most? Let's leave you with these visuals of drains being clogged, not the ones next to your houses, but actually the ones wherein people live around. In New Delhi with camera person Ashwini, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.